If the emissions in 2022 are 4,290 metric megatons, what are the maximum allowable emissions in the year 2027? Okay, so we're gonna get 4290. One is gonna be plus or minus. It says reduce, okay? Minus what? 0.02 to the power of what?
5.
It is going to be 5. Why 5?
Because from 2022 to 2027, it's 5 years.
Yes, okay? So you kind of have to count the years on this. Good job, bud. Okay, you got to count the years on this. So 2022 to 2027, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 is 5 years. Okay, so we're going to put a 5 there. What'd somebody get? Slow down. What? 8.2. Okay, do we leave the decimal or not? Okay, I say yeah, but a lot of people say no because it's in megatons. But you can have like 4.2 million, right? Have you ever seen somebody and they're like, they got $15.2 billion, right? So it still can be measured in decimal. So I say leave the decimal, but that's just me, okay? What's an example of when you wouldn't leave a decimal? I know there's got to be one on here. There was on my other classes. What about people? Can you have 0.23 people? No, okay? So, that would be one where you would just like cut it off at the number, okay? And remember, we're not rounding, so you would just leave it as 3877, okay? So people, you cannot do that. Okay, same one. So it starts out at 2950, 1 minus 0.02. What's going to be to the power of what? 9, okay? Use your fingers and count. Okay, 22 all the way to 31. Okay, it's going to be 9. What'd somebody get? 2459.55. Should this number be less than or more than our starting amount? Less than, okay, they're reducing that, so it should be less than. Do we leave the decimal or not? Yes. Okay, same thing. So we start out at 4050. 1 minus 0.03. How many years?
5.
5 years. Good. What'd somebody get? 2477. Sorry. 3477.87. Somebody else get that? Good. Okay, last one. A robot vacuum. What is that? Yeah, it's like a circle thing. I want one really bad, but they're freaking expensive, and my husband will never buy me one, so whatever. Okay. Cleans a dirty floor using multiple passes. During each pass, 25% of the dirt is removed. If the floor initially has 20 ounces of dirt, how much dirt remains after 7 passes? Okay, so is this a plus or a minus problem? Why a minus? You're moving, okay? For those of you guys that don't have a freaking vacuum, okay, you don't do this. I'm gonna give you a life lesson here, okay? Even you on camera, sorry, but I'm not moving. Okay, you don't do this. That's not vacuuming, okay? You're supposed to like, you know, so that's what they're doing. And they said after 7 passes. So first pass, how much dirt gets removed? 25%. And then they go back and they do it again. How much more dirt gets removed? 25%. Okay, until eventually your freaking floor is clean. Is it possible to get your floor 100% clean? No. Okay, people freaking lie. My floors are clean. No, they're not. Okay, it's impossible. Okay, but you can like go over it a couple times. So if your parents ask you to vacuum, don't just freaking. Okay. So we got 20 ounces of dirt is how much we started with, and it's going to be 1 minus what? 0.25, and then what's our time factor? They want to know 7 passes. If you do that 7 times, 7 times, all right, how much dirt are you going to get left? 2 point what? 2.66. Do we leave the decimal or not? Why do you feel like that? That's not a valid answer at all. No. It's ounces. Ounces is something that can be measured. Okay, you can have 0.4 of an ounce. Okay. Is that very much dirt left on their floor? No, I don't feel like it. When would they measure dirt on the floor? Your house is disgusting. Nobody go over there. Okay. What about somebody else? Nobody. I don't know if you guys like. We don't even have cable anymore. I have like Netflix and stuff. But way back in the day, I'm not that old, guys, by the way. Okay, I'm 30. Probably seems old to you, but I'm not. Okay, but way back in the day, like if you left your TV on a night, they had these like weird infomercials in the middle of the night. Do they? I don't know. I don't have cable. And they would like take this dirt and do it on the floor and then show you how great this vacuum is. Or like they'll purposely put stains on clothes and then show you like how great OxyClean is. That's what they're doing. Okay.